competitive world, what makes or mars a brand is its efficiency and the value of its content. At the center of all this is the producer. That is why we must work on ourselves first before churning out programs. This is because you are as good as your last production. I will urge you to embrace the technology of the future, and that is the digital technology. Open your minds. As I've always said, when I wanted to start this talk, I said, please open your minds. Open your minds because there are possibilities out there, which even goes beyond NTA. Open your minds because you may make contacts that will last you for a lifetime.
I'm very, very happy that a medium like this is created for Expo. Why am I saying I'm very happy? That's because it's a medium that will help Expo to excel. If we've encountered any problem, it's a medium that we can also air out our views so that other years it can be improved upon.
The workshop has really been impactful. It has broadened my horizon on who you should be as a producer, especially the aspect of openness. You don't have to be rigid as a producer, you have to be open because that is what brings ideas anyway. That is how you're able to conceptualize as a producer, and that is how you are able to put your best in your production. Another thing I learned is how to make good use of technology. Technology is here to stay. It's around us. We really need to make good use of it. I've learned that as a producer, I don't have to wait for the station to when it comes to feedback mechanism. I also as a producer can get my feedback from my audience, and not just my audience. At the end of the day, my audience, my viewership is going to boost the general audience of the station.